Have you ever thought of how your heart is such a unique and powerful organ in your body? So just listen, let me tell you, this heart in question is not that large. It's a little bit bigger than this, my fist. So there are certain properties that makes this heart such a unique and powerful organ in the body. So one of those properties are automaticity. Automaticity is the ability of the heart to generate its own impulse, and transmit it. So this heart, this particular part of the heart that generates this impulse is what we know as the SA node, the sinoarterial node. This sinoarterial node is not the only part of this heart that can generate impulse. Instead, this SA node generates impulse efficiently. That's why it is known as the pacemaker of the heart. And take note, whenever I'm talking about the properties of this heart, the part of this heart that exhibits these properties is the cardiac muscles, known as the myocardium. That's the part of this heart, the layer of this heart that exhibits these properties. This myocardium is the musculature of the heart. So the next property is the contractility. That is the ability of the heart to strengthen and shorten its muscle fibers so that it can pump out blood to all the whole part of the body. So excitability, which is the ability of your heart to respond to stimulus or electrical impulse so that it can bring about what we call action potential. Action potential is just an electrical impulse that allows muscle cells to function or work together. That's what action potential simply means. So the next property is rhythmicity. So rhythmicity is the ability of your heart to beat in a regular pattern consistently. So whenever your heart is not beating a regular pattern, that's irregular heartbeat, it is known as arrhythmia. But when your heart is beating faster than normal, it is what we call tachycardia. But when it is beating slower than normal, it is what we call bradycardia. So these are the few properties of the heart that makes it very unique and powerful, that enables this heart to beat, to keep you alive every day, because the heart beats 72 times per minute, 70 to 72 times per minute, and it pumps 5 liters of blood every minute. It pumps 5 liters of blood. Alright, so I just believe you understood something from this video. Don't forget to like, follow and share for more important health tips like this.